Alam, ako ay magmimina muna. Dahil,
Hold on. Wala kang ano? Mining platform?
wala. Sabi ni PJ, gagawan niya daw ako. Hindi naman niya ako ginawan. So, hindi na ako nagsabi. Tapos nakita ko yung kanya. Ang dami-dami na ng mining platform.
You know what?
Hmm.
I'm gonna replay this stream and then I'm gonna send this to Kiyoshi, the exact timestamp where you said this. And I will mention in the caption, Kiyoshi, you're getting old.
Siyempre ako yung nag-aangailangan. So, siyempre dapat magiging patient tayo.
But yes, for me, I don't have that part. So,
O, same pala tayo. Wala ka din yan.
and I'm actually sub. I do have the mining platforms. Nagpa-build ako. So,
Wala pa build ka na. Saan na?
she felt betrayed. This is total betrayal, y'all.
You know what?
She felt. Yep.
I'm going to
Yeah,
quit.
I'm kidding the hive. Yep. Like I don't know. On this hive, like betrayal is the most common thing. Like it's an everyday thing where people ask, "Oh, you already have one?"
Samantala, lahat kayo meron. Ako na lang pala yung wala.
Yeah. You know what's even worse? Hansui had the same thing.
Ako yung matagal na dito, tapos ako pa yung wala. Ayoko na talaga, guys. So, I'm so sorry,
And you
but
know who made this?
I need to quit now. I need to end my stream.
You know who made this?
Yoshi?
It was Yoshi proposing to cancel. Like, do you want tiny platforms?
Oh my God. Samantalang siya pa nag-offer sa akin noon, nagagawan niya daw ako. Tapos ako pa yung hindi nagawa. Ayoko na, guys.
What happened here was you felt betrayed.
Ano
Yoshi
yan?
betrayed you.
Si Antoy.
I betrayed you. And so you betrayed you.
Ano bang ginawa ko mali? Sige. Bakit niyo ako ginaganito?
So Keshi's
Ah?
Keshi's already here.
Keshi!
Bakit?
Bakit kayo ganyan?
Ano naman nangyari?
Please help me.
Nabigyan ka na ng
Ano naman
nabigyan ka na ng mining platform ni ni KJ. Nagawan ka na niya.
You start that.
Galing.
Bakit?
Wala.
Wawa.
You know what?
Kawawa.
You know what? On all of us here, si Sabrina yung first one na inoffer ng mining platform. And until now, wala pa siya. Naunahan mo siya.
Naunahan ako
me.
ni...
and then
Same siya na. Nag-offer lang rin sa akin siya, tapos tinanggap ko lang.
Samantalang ako
Sabi
ito.
niya, gagawin niya eh. Ako na lang maglipat.
Hindi na dapat magiging patient tayo.
Parang bumuo kayo ng pangarap, pero sa iba tinupad.
oh my God.
Wow, 77. Wow, 77. Pero sa iba, ayoko na, mag-quit na ako.
Meanwhile,
Tignan mo. May kailangan siya sa akin, grosyo. Hindi ko ibibigay yung grosyo.
Nagdamot na.
I like where this is going.
Deal or no deal? Gagawa mo muna ako ng mining platform? Paano ko ibigay yun? Okay, masyado nang mabigat yung dala-dala kong sama ng loob. Masyado nang mabigat. So, kanino ka ba ito i-release?
But definitely know me, I'm running away. Bye. Yeah, she will never forget this.
Hindi. Never ever.
But her
In my
her
life.
cat will never forget
Sino
that
to?
she
Si
named her
Hansen.
cat Black White.
Han-
Yeah, so if your cat is named Black White, what's your name?
Bakit?
Mountain Dew?
Oo, ka na
Okay.
Drake.
Okay, Mountain Dew. Next time, think about what you name your pets.
Bakit mas malala pa nga yung iba dyan eh.
Like who? Whose pet are you talking about?
Teka. Alam ko. Nandiyan na ba? Tignan mo niya si Dark Lavinia.
Dark Loving.
Akala niya,
Dark Loving.
Nandiyan si Dark Lavinia, hanapin mo.
Ano? Ay, sorry.
kawawa.
Oh, poor bunny named Dark Loving.
Oh, bakit siya naging Dark Lavinia? Kasi nga, di ba, mukhang sa mga ugali niya.
This is Lavinia, but even it's much evil. Ordinary. Like here I am naming my bison Study Long Legs.
Di ba? Ikaw, so, like, Dark Lavinia.
And Black White. Okay, Mountain Dew.
Ito, wag ka. May babait. Mayroon ako dito. Si Hydrom Panot.
What?
Pero, alam nyo ba guys, almost lahat ng ito, siya naman gumawa eh. Ng mga pangalan.
Yeah, the Cinderella, then we have Sarah, Becky, and Lavinia, and then now she had the darker version, which is Dark Lavinia. That I
Si
didn't know.
Dark. Ito si Mariposa, sa kanya po galing yung pangalan na
Yeah,
yan.
but because it's a big butterfly. So.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, then we have Luling Ning as well. What's the next one? Milagre. this Wawa Win here.
Meron kasi kami. Wawawin girls, ganyan. May Cinderella, may Disney Princess. Tapos, meron din ako ditong mga Jiggy Boy. Si Saint Sister, Saint Mother, Saint Brother, ay Saint Father. Ito si Saint Father, papakilala ko sa inyo si Saint Father. Si Saint Peter kasi tinawag na Saint Peter. Kasi nga, siya ay pumapatay ng mga animals. Animals lang naman.
Straight to funeraria. Hold on, come here. I have to tell you something.
Not.
Because you created this cooling fan.
Mm.
And you turned it on
And then,
a winter area. Like seriously, Sabrina, are you trying to freeze your brain?
hindi, kasi pinapapasok ko yung ano ko. So, gusto niya kasi na ano. Kasi, inuksan ko lang muna. Nakalimutan kong patayin.
And so what I did, I disconnected the wires because the
Hindi ko
first time
naman
I saw it, I
binubuksan.
turned it off. The first time I saw it, I turned it off. And then the next time I was here, it was turned on. So I turned it off again. Then the next time I'm here,
O, nakakalimutan kong patayin. Ito nga, nakakalimutan kong patayin to eh.
and honestly, there.
Bakit mo inalis? Napakawalang hiya mo. Ha? Isa ka pa eh. Ha? Asan ka? Ha? Ikaw? Ha? Halika dito! Isa ka pa eh. Wala na kumain dagpon tapos ganyan ka pa. Ha? Tapos sinag, nasa ano kami? Pati ikaw, nahabol kong ano lang yung irulip ko? Ako pa pabalik dito ha. Huwag ka makita-itang nandito sa bisa. Nararapat kang wala ka dito eh. Ha? Hindi ka talaga ha? Ha? Magulo ka? Ha? Ginugulo mo yung bahay ko? Ha? Babalik dito ha? Nandito kami saan? Teka!
So yeah, most of the members didn't know what house blessing is.
Oo.
And we haven't actually Bless the shed.
Kaya nga eh.
Yeah, let's actually start with the shed. Let's start with the shed.
Oh, ano? Kasabugan mo ko?
You know what's actually the nice house to do the blessing? The
Ito.
nicest house to do the blessing. GPUs.
Ito nga. Halika.
GPUs house. Oh,
Hi, GPU.
Moments later.
Ito, mining platform. Mga digiboy na yan. Ang dami-dami yan. Alam ko kung kanino galing yan. Kasi nagpagawa ka din eh. Nakapay. Asan yung mining platform na to?
We bless your platform not to be attacked by zombies.
Mining platform? Kanino galing yan? Kanino galing yan? Kilala ko yan eh. Ikaw para tayo magpakay sa'yo sarap ko yan eh. Pero ito talaga, ito yung pasimuno.
Okay, so
Yung pasimuno na, inuna akong ipayan tapos wala ako.
Jesus.
Ito, yan, yung bahay na yan. Ayan, yung glass na yan. Sa akin yan eh. Akin yan. Lahat yan, yung mga ilaw-ilaw na yan. Akin lahat yan. Yung build niya na yan.
Gibrit mo ka na dyan.
Yeah, and he even has the glass doors.
Oo, sa akin lahat yan. Sa akin.
Hindi nakibo yung bahay.
Gibayin ko yan eh. Pakay kita wala siyang bahay pag open niya.
Wala ka dyan, magwawala yun.
Oh, wala siyang
No,
karapatan.
honestly, he had this smiley face and he'll come back. Not happy anymore.
Good, Ricky.